This is the UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners. The UGC1006T, twin tank, solvent and water, and the UGC1006 single tank. Let's take a look at the features and benefits of the UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners. The UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners are designed as compact, quick, fast colour change rinsing systems for rapid colour changes inside your paint facility. Pumpless in operation with air venturi and also liquid pickup, there's very little that can mechanically go wrong with these systems. Highly reliable and highly efficient in the cleaning process. Compact in design, the 1006 range can be wall mounted or bench mounted with their self-contained fluid containers inside, or these can be portable and mounted inside mobile repair vans, for example. The UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners has a stainless steel tank construction manufactured from 304 stainless steel, strong and robust, high-grade stainless steel that is not likely to corrode. The 3-inch stainless steel exhaust system on top of the solvent-based tank to extract the vapour from the operator when using solvent for cleaning. Inside the base of the machine there are 4 fluid containers for the 1006T. We have a clean fluid container for rinsing, we have a waste container, and this is repeated for the second tank. On the 1006 you just have 2 single tanks. Using the high-powered air venturi rinse nozzle here, which delivers up to 80 ml of fluid per minute of washing. Highly efficient, a mixture of air and liquid passing through the inside of the spray gun. The design of the system is completely pumpless in operation, therefore there's very little that can mechanically go wrong with these systems. On the side of the system we have an air whip line which isn't supplied with this quick release coupling, but you can fit your own coupling depending what air connection you use. Simply attach that to the whip line, connect up your spray gun, and your spray gun is attached with an air supply to the machine. So that when we're rinsing through the spray gun, we are pulling the cleaning fluid through just like when we spray paint. With a stiff nylon brush at the back here, you can use this for cleaning the air cap. It's fully adjustable on its bracket, so it can be slid up and down. And we change this position so that when you're using different size gravity fed spray guns, you are spraying out into the bristle of the brush so that you don't get any blowback or splashback of liquid. On the side of the tank here, we have what we call the air drying nozzle or the air rinse nozzle, which can be used to dry the inside of the spray gun or you dry the outside. So this is the UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners, the 1006T and the 1006. Compact in design, high-powered Venturi rinse systems for quick, fast colour changes. If you'd like any further information, please visit our website www.unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.